Hi, this is Mr. Williamson, and this is Fish Prep Quiz number 3. This one's going to be a little bit different, and I'm going to ask you to point things out on the screen. And obviously, there's no one there to tell you if you are correct or not, or if you're cheating. But if you're really serious about doing well on the quiz, you'll be honest with yourself and evaluate yourself if you did well or not. So here we go. Okay, point to the lateral line. Where is the lateral line on this fish? Again, you can pause this video if you need to stop it and go on. But I'm going to keep going here. The lateral line is this line right here. It senses vibration in the water. So, okay, where is the caudal fin? The caudal fin. Where is point to that? All right, the caudal fin is this fin right over here. So, where is the anal fin? Anal fin is right down here. And finally, where is the pelvic fin? Point to the pelvic fin. It's the fin right down there. So there's a quick 4 questions from the external anatomy of the fish. Let's take a look at the internal. Point to the liver. Where is the liver? Liver is this organ right here. All right. Point to the swim bladder. Swim bladder is this space right here. Remember, it helps aid in buoyancy. Where are the gills? The gills. Point to the gills. The gills are located right there. And where is the heart? You can just see the tip of the heart right here. A little triangle right there. And finally on this picture, where are the ovaries? Ovaries are that right there. All right. The next one, where would the intestine be? Point to the intestine. Be this little organ right here. Where is, let's see, pick something good here, fun. Where's the kidney? The kidney is this black line right back here. It's against the spinal cord. And finally, the last question, where is the myomeres? Myomeres are the muscles, the strips of muscle that come down here. You can see them if you look through there. You would also find the myomeres down this part that you took out. Okay, that concludes the test, the quiz. If you have any questions, make sure you see me in class. Take a look at your study guide. I hope you're preparing for the test. I will see you test day. Good luck.